Unless you've been living under a rock, your business has a Facebook presence. And there's no better time than now to bring your Facebook content to your WordPress website using WPSocialNinja. And we're here to make that process easy as pie for you. Let's start by connecting your Facebook account to WPSocialNinja. It's quite easy actually. Just select Facebook from feed. It'll ask you to log into your Facebook account. Since we're already logged into ours, we will hit continue with our account. Next up, you're gonna have to select the business pages you want to fetch your feeds from. Just so you know, WPSocialNinja doesn't work for any personal account. This is a crucial part as you have to have a Facebook page to make it work. So we will tick one, but you have the options to choose more if you want. Next, it's going to ask for some permissions. These are by default toggled to yes, so we just continue. Your account is now connected. Just select the page again and you'll see a success notification on your right. That's it. Your Facebook feed has been connected to your website successfully. Now it's time to add a new template. We'll show you how to do that in the next video. Till then, happy socializing!